In this video, I'm gonna show you how to link Amex to Delta. First of all, sign into your Delta account. Go to the Delta website and sign into your Skymiles account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Then access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your name or profile icon. After that, link Amex card. Look for an option to link or manage payment methods or rewards cards. Delta typically provides a section for linking credit cards. Click on this section. Then enter Amex card information. Within the payment methods or rewards card section, you will see an option to add a credit card. Select American Express and enter the required details, including the card number, expired date, and security code. Then save card information. After entering the card details, review them to ensure accuracy. Then save the card information. Then verification. Delta may require you to verify your Amex card. Follow any instructions provided to complete the verification process. And the last one is confirmation. Once your American Express card is successfully linked to your Delta account, you should receive a confirmation message or see the card listed under your linked payment methods or rewards cards. So that's how you can link Amex to Delta.